attached and about the process that for me, just being a part of the movie, shooting it, developing the character of Cup, getting into character, shooting the film, that's my
need to be a cricketing buff at all, and that was something very clear that I had in my mind when I was making this film. There's no way you can make a film just for cricket buffs, even though we have millions of them in our country. But you can't make a film just for cricket buffs. It ultimately has to be a human story.
I think this movie's, the backdrop is sport, the backdrop is cricket, but there's so much more to this. It is about the triumph of the human spirit, and just this incredible underdog story and journey of these incredible people who just had faith, and had fun also along the way. Victory, yes, of course they wanted to win, but I think it was also that journey, that time that they spent together with each other, which I think even the movie captures so beautifully.
We can't go by an actor's real personality and cast that person. That's where the acting craft comes in, right? You could be anything in real life, but
that's actually where you also break stereotypes.
Yeah, that's exactly how you break. Otherwise, you keep, then where's the acting? Then you're basically telling them to be themselves.
Right.
But what I love about Ranveer's acting is, I think, take his 4 films, they're not even the same human being. You take his last 3-4 films and you feel like, how can this same man be these characters? Because it's not only the physical transformation, the voice is different, the expressions are different. It's completely a different human being.
kind of try and unlearn just about everything I know. I try and approach anything new that I do, especially character development, a new character, kind of like a blank slate. It's only then that you can achieve something distinctive in that process. I'm really so attached and about the process that for me, just being a part of the movie, shooting it, developing the character of Cup, getting into character, shooting the film, that's my prize. For me, the process is my prize, and I am extremely fulfilled by that process. So the fact that we're finally releasing and the trailer's got this response and there's all this anticipation, all this is a bonus, and in all honesty, I really think it will be a special experience for the audience.
For Romi Dev, she's just such an incredible woman. And whatever time I get to spend with her and the anecdotes that I hear from her, she's played such a silent but important role in his journey, that we all felt that it was important to bring that to life as well. Yes, there's a professional side. Yes, there is, what they do on the field. But I think their life off the field is equally important, especially in their case, because I think she played a very huge role in supporting him and his belief and his dreams. And I think that was important for us to share with the world.
Correct way to call this film, I'll just tell you one simple fact and that'll just explain everything. The team has still not seen the film. That's how secure they are. That's how they have stayed away from in any way intruding into the creative space. 3 years ago they told us, you are making the story and then we will see it when you bring it out to the rest of the world. So, if it was a commissioned piece, they would have seen it 2 months ago and had their, opinions about it. The team has still not seen this film.
We have planned a very special screening for them, and I've got my tissue box ready.
And they're still so united. They don't want to watch it until all of them
Without
are
each other.
together.
We keep pushing
so
them.
like Kapil sir had the opportunity, and a couple of them had the opportunity to watch it yesterday and a couple of opportunities before that. But they won't do it. They're all so connected even till date. They're like, no. On the 22nd, when the big premiere happens, we all want to sit together and we want to watch it together.